Hi everyone, it's Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. And spring is here. That means our daytime and nighttime temperatures are up. The grass is starting to grow, so it's time to rip in to our spring lawn renovations. So today we'll be renovating the grasses on our Lawn Solutions Australia Research and Development Facility, which you may have seen before in some of our other videos. We're going to treat each grass a little bit differently today. On our tee box here and also on our green surrounds, we have Surgrange zoysia. Surgrange zoysia is a little bit slower, so we're not going to take it as low when we dethatch and we scarify, and it's going to be a lighter top dress as well. Walking down here, we have our Tiff Tuff Hybrid Bermuda fairway, and as you can see, we've already started to dethatch this. This is a little bit different to the zoysia. We're going to dethatch this and scarify this a couple of times, and we're going to go as low as we possibly can. And then when we top dress with our sanding material, we can go a little bit heavier on the Tiff Tuff because it is more aggressive, so it'll bounce back through. In the background there, you'll see our Primo Zoysia green. Similar to the Surgrange, we're not going to scarify or dethatch that as heavy, and the top dress will be a little bit lighter as well. When it comes to fertility, we're going to be applying a pre-emergent herbicide and fertilizer known as Oxifert, and we'll also be applying Lawn Solutions Premium Fertilizer to really kick this grass back into gear after its renovation. Thatch is a build-up of dead organic matter, excessive roots and stems that have developed within the profile of your grass. Dethatching will help to remove this layer so that air and nutrients are able to reach your soil base and can more effectively feed your lawn. Reducing thatch also prevents waterlog in your roots. It will also allow for proper drainage to help prevent the risk of fungal issues. Now that the thatch is removed, it's time to aerate or core the soil. In true spring fashion, there's a storm on the way, so we'd like to get this done nice and quickly before it gets too wet. Luckily, the good people at Toro have lent us their ProCore 648S to get this job done nice and quickly and to a high standard. Depending on the weather, we might have to come back tomorrow to pick up the cores and then top dress. Unlike regular aeration, where solid tines simply punch holes into the ground, core aeration removes a plug of soil from your lawn at the same time. When there is a lot of compaction, soil improvements are needed, or if your lawn is consistently showing signs of stress, these are times when core aeration is ideal. If you are coring because you also wanted to improve the soil composition, it's best to remove the cores and top dress. If you are not looking to top dress or your soil profile is good, then you can simply rake the cores back into the profile. A good quality washed sand is ideal for top dressing short-cut or manicured lawn areas. It's commonly used on golf courses and on couch grass like we have here, allowing a more permeable soil structure and more refined surface levels. We'll be back in a few weeks' time to check out how the area is recovering post-renovation. So we're a couple of weeks post-renovation now, and the grass has come back really well. Most areas have seen about 80% recovery, so another week or two and they should fully close off. If you've got any questions about lawn renovations or any of these activities in particular, please feel free to get in touch with us here at Lawn Solutions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to catch you next time.